Dito tayo ngayon sa Cypress in Taguig City to check this new foreclosed condo unit. Corner, 19th floor,
Facing BGC.
Altiva Building. ...67 square meters. Ang aliwalas, oh. Daming bintana. Ano to? 3 bedrooms. Kitchen niya. And then, common bathroom. 3 bedrooms. Ito yung bedroom 1. Facing BGC. And C5. And then bedroom 2. So ang kagandahan dito, corner siya. Meron tayong windows on both sides. Maayos pa naman siya. And then this is the masters. As is where is tayo dito upon turnover. And this is for bidding. Starting bid price is around 4.8 million. Meron siyang balcony. Facing amenities and BGC. Ayan, oh. Ganda ng view niya. Tapat na tapat mo yung BGC. So this is available in cash or at least 10% down payment and 90% balance bank financing plus taxes and fees. If you are interested to make a bid, please message us directly. Meron din tayong balcony dito sa living area niya. Hindi mabuksan. This is below market and zonal value. Ang presyo nito pumapatak 72,000 per square meter. And malapit lang tayo sa BGC and McKinley Hill. Corner unit. Kaya tingnan nyo naman. Maliwalas siya. Mahangin. So ito yung balcony dito sa living area niya. Ganda ng view, oh. City view. Yan. So again, if interesado kayo dito, message us directly. Na. Itong pinaka ano nila, function area.